What's up, YouTube? USMC Vet here. Well, it's 3 weeks to planting, and I already put these bulbs in a while back, but it's 3 weeks till the last frost date here in Zone 6A. So, you might want to get your seeds planted. Your ground is probably workable enough that you can start tilling it or have someone till it for you. You can go ahead and start laying out your black paper if you're going to run pumpkins, watermelons, not pumpkins, but watermelons. You could do strawberries as well with the black paper. But if you got any seeds you need left to start, go ahead and start those today. And get that garden ready, tilled up, get your markers put up, whatever you're going to do. And get ready to plant. Alright, guys and gals. Thumbs up, thumbs down, bitches, most complaint, leave in the comment section below. I'm USMC Vet. Simplify Godspeed. Have a great day.